Hey guys, I'm Kat and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to have a mini haul plus a makeup tutorial and review because most of the products I bought will be my first time trying them out, and this is not a full face makeup tutorial using the mini haul. Get me? So let's start with the mini haul. So I bought new makeups from Freya website. So this is the box or package looks like, and I'm going to show you what's inside. Wait a sec. So these are, okay, so these are the items, and as usual, there's a card right here. Okay, so let's start with these two free samples. So this is the Make Creme Save Me Relief Moisture Cream 12. So it has 12 ingredients but with moisturizing effect. So this is a Korean brand. Plus, this is the Professionnel Curl Primer. Ayan, so ito yung product niya. Ayan, nasa maliit lang na sachet siya. The first item that I bought, this is the Benefit Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation in the shade 6. This is a sheer medium coverage liquid foundation with SPF 15. Net weight is 30.0 ml or 1.0 fluid ounces. So I'm going to show you the packaging looks like. Ayan, itsura niya, super cute. By the way, kung ano yung shade na pinili nyo, yun yung kulay ng packaging niya sa front and back. So comes or looks like a door. Ayan. So it has some other information as well, ingredients, and it says soft blur foundation looks like skin and feels like nothing at all. So 99% said it feels weightless, 98% said it feels breathable, 95% said it gives natural looking coverage. So ito yung likod niya, character ata siya or somewhat. This is the product packaging looks like. Yeah, it comes with a pink metallic cap. And then, matte na yung mismong base or lalagyanan ng product. By the way, nung pag-deliver pala sa kanito, ang una ko talagang chinek itong foundation na to. Kasi itong foundation na to, yung consistency niya is very liquidy. And I feel like na mag-o-oiled up siya sa packaging sa pag-deliver sa akin. And yep, totoo yung instinct ko. Nakita ko pag-open ko, oily yung side or ng packaging na to. Tapos nung pag-open ko, talagang nag-explode yung product. Pero luckily, hindi ganun kadaming product yung nasayang. So, I don't know kung makikita nyo pa. Kasi may oil pa sa sides eh. So, I'm not sure kung makikita nyo. Ayan. So, next item is this Hoola Benefit Bronzer. I'm sure you guys are very well familiar with this product. So, yung binili ko is mini size kasi titest out ko kung talagang universal siya. So, titest out natin siya today. Ayan. So, net weight is 4.0 grams or 0.14 ounces. Okay, next item, ito talaga yung pinapangarap kong product from Benefit. So, this is the Precisely My Brow Pencil. This is in the shade 5. So, net weight is 0.08 grams or 0.002 ounces. Ayan. So, never pa talaga ako nakakahawak na ito, guys. As in, parang nakikita ko na siya sa photo. Wow! Look at that packaging. So cute. Ayan. So, ito ata yung pencil. Yeah, this is the pencil one. Ito yung product. Ayan. So, ito yung ilalim niya. Inside is this spoolie brush. Ayan. Okay, so last item is lashes. This is from the brand Artisan Professionnel. This is in the style Love Solo 1740. So, this is the lashes. Looks like sobrang cute. So, those are the items. And now, let's move on to makeup tutorial. So, I'm going to start with my brows. I'm going to use the Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 5. I'm going to use the spoolie brush first to brushing up my brow hairs. I'm going to clean up my brows using this Snoe Beauty Concealing Me Softly. So for the eyeshadows, we're going to start off with this Hoola Matte Bronzer. And I'm going to take this as a transition shade. Next shade, I'm going to use this Ofra Cosmetics 3D Pyramid Blush, and I'm going to take this peach shade right here, and I'm going to apply it onto my crease using a small blending brush. Next, I'm going to take this BYS Berries eyeshadow palette and taking this dark brown shade called Shaded to deepen out the crease area. I'm going to blend it using a clean blending brush. To cut the crease, I'm going to use this Snoe Beauty Concealing My Softly again. So for the crease, I used the golden shade from the BYS eyeshadow palette. And I'm just reapplying the peach and the dark brown shade. Now I'm going to take this matte black shade from the Infinite palette and taking a flat angled brush, I'm just going to smoke out this side of my eye. So for the lower lashes, I'm going to use Maybelline the Falsies Push-Up Drama. I'm going to pop on some lashes using this Artisan Professionnel. Have you guys watched the Señorita music video of Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello? Like all throughout the music video, grabe kinikilig talaga ako. Charot. I'm going to finish off my eyes later on, and now I'm going to proceed with my face. So for moisturizer, I'm going to use this Make Prem Save Me Relief Moisture Cream. Okay, so it smells really good. Like the usual na parang scent ng mga lotion. Parang ganun. Bango. So for primer, I'm really excited to try it out. This is the Professionnel Pearl Primer. Okay, so that amount muna. It smells so good. Okay, so this is the texture. Looks like parang siyang bubble gum, by the way. So may kulay yung primer na, and it reminds me of the moonshine. Wow! Okay, wow. Para ako naglalagay ng pulbos, guys. Since I'm going to use a foundation that has a very liquidy consistency and it's a sheer to medium coverage, I'm going to use a color corrector that is lightweight also. So I'm going to use this Pop Beauty Camouflage 101, and I'm going to take the shade here. I think this, yeah, apricot shade right here. I'm going to use this Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation. So by the way, you don't have to squeeze the product out. All you have to do is turn it over. Yan. Tapos kusang na siyang babagsak ang product. I'm going to use this Luxe Face Paint brush from Dress Up Brushes. Blend it. So this foundation doesn't claim to be like velvety or matte finish, more like regular foundation lang. So for me right now, nakita ko sa screen, parang may pagka-dewy siya, like a natural glow ika nga. So yeah, might as well set na lang natin siya mamaya. So now I'm going to use my Beauty Blender, Dirty Beauty Blender that I used last night. So yeah, I'm just going to pat the product more onto my skin. Okay, so medyo nagloloko yung left eye ko, kaya kung makikita nyo umaangat to, it's just that nagluluha yung inner corner ng left eye ko. So next, I'm going to brighten my under eye using the Camouflage 101. And I'm going to use this shade right here. This is medium skin tone. So, na-amaze ako sa primer, guys, kasi masyadong textured kasi yung nose area ko. So, right now, nakikita ko, ay wow, napaka-smooth. Parang ang tao sa ilong ko tuloy. Charot! I'm going to bake my under eye quickly using this Nichido Final Powder in Ivory Glow. So for bronzer, I'm going to use this Hoola Benefit Bronzer. And I'm going to try to use the brush that comes with it. I'm not liking the brush itself. I'm going to use my angled contour brush. For highlight, I'm going to use my favorite. This is the Ofra Cosmetics and Francesca Tolot Infinite Palette. I'm going to use this shade called 10K. So I'm going to finish off my under eye, and I'm going to use the same shades that I did on my crease or eyes onto my under eye. For the lips, I'm going to use this Colourette Supramatte in the shade Ellie. It's a baby pink color. And I'm going to top it off using the ED Advanced Vinyl Lip Gloss. So I'm going to set everything in place using this Gerard Cosmetics Lay All Day Setting Spray in Green Tea or Ginger. Just going to avoid my eyes. Okay, so let's start first with the free samples. Idadami ko na rin sila kasi, again, first time ko makagamit itong products na to. So let's start with the Make Creme Moisturizer. So I would say it's a great product, especially for oily skin. All throughout na nagpi-film ako, wala akong nararamdaman na weird or parang hindi siya angkop sa skin type ko. Sobrang lightweight, it freshens up my skin. And yep, sobrang ganda niya as base before primer or foundation. Kaya okay na okay to sa akin. The last free sample is the Professionnel Pearl Primer. And guys, bibili talaga ako ng talagang original size niya, hindi na mini. Kasi nagustuhan ko yung finish niya. It's very lightweight. Basically, I tried silicone cream primer. Pero ito yung first time ko makagamit ng velvety primer. Yung finish niya, cream yung texture niya. Pero once you blend it out to your skin, again, it feels like you're just applying a baby powder. Gustong-gusto ko to. And nung in-apply ko yung foundation, like, ang ganda niya. It softens my pores. Let's proceed with the Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation. Overall, gustong-gusto ko siya. Especially perfect siya for summer kasi sobrang sheer ng coverage niya. Pero pwede mo naman siya i-build up. Pero yung nakikita niyo sa face ko, one layer lang siya. Ayoko kasi siyang masyadong medium coverage kasi gusto kong matest out yung sheer coverage. So, it feels like a tinted moisturizer kasi may pagka-glow and dewy effect siya sa skin ko kanina nung in-apply ko. Pero if you're not into that, you can put a loose powder or pressed powder para ma-lessen yung shininess ng skin mo. So, shade-wise, nag-match naman siya sa skin ko. Pero, medyo paranoid ako kasi kanina, nung ina-apply ko siya, may pagka-orange or more warmth itong color na to. Kaya, I might buy the shade 5, which is lighter ng 6. Tapos, imimix ko sila. I would highly recommend this product. Perfect siya for summer, and if you're not into like heavy foundation, okay na okay siya. And may pagkamahalan lang siya, yes. If you're a drugstore junkie like me, na gusto mag-try ng high-end product, try this one. Next is this Hoola Benefit Bronzer. And tama nga yung sinasabi nila, it is a universal bronzer. It really works well sa moreno skin ko. It gives me that natural finish. And for me, pagkagamit ako ng ganito, hindi ko na kailangan ng any contouring products kasi etong Hoola bronzer pa lang, okay na siya. Medyo na-hesitant lang akong gamitin kanina kasi yung color niya sa pan, sobrang warm ng usual na ginagamit kong bronzer. Pero nung ginamit ko siya as transition color, like, ang ganda niya. Actually, sa nose area ko, may pagka-orangey siya kanya nung pag-apply ko. Luckily, nung binlend out ko na siya, nag-match well siya sa skin tone ko. And, yep, gustong-gusto ko to. And next product is this Precisely My Brow Pencil. And as you can tell, nag-struggle ako kanina kasi first time kong gumamit ng ultra thin pencil. Like, yung iba kasi it claims to be like ultra tip na pencil daw sila, pero nung test out mo, hindi siya ganun ka-fine or ultra fine na tip na it will give you like hair-like strokes. So far, gustong-gusto ko siya, and I might buy some other brow products from Benefit kasi alam ko sila yung well-known na magagandang brow products. So, we'll see. Last product is the Artisan lashes that I'm wearing right now, and right off the bat, nagustuhan ko agad siya kasi nung pagsuot ko, it's very lightweight. Like, all throughout na nag-film ako, parang hindi siya mabigat or it feels weightless though. Kasi yung ibang lashes na ginagamit ko, parang habang nagtatagal, nasuot ko sila, nararamdaman ko yung weight or yung bigat sa lashes ko. Like, minsan halos di ko na makita yung dito ko. Hindi na sa makita, parang may pagka blocking lang sa upper site ko. Pero ito, wearing it, parang wala. As in, wala. Kasi, maybe because sa transparent or nylon band, I'm not sure kung tawag doon yung invisible band ba tawag doon. All the items that I bought is available at Freya. You can visit them at Glorieta Makati, or you can shop online at freya.com/ph and use my code CAT15 to get 15% off your purchase. And that's the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed watching it, don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell button so I get notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!